Through the implementation of the Preparing the Future program this past academic year, we were so excited about the unique curriculum the students are exposed to, including interdisciplinary learning. We requested a meeting with Dr. Jay Perman, the president of the University of Maryland, Baltimore, to share the incredible opportunities we embarked upon with our partners, and most notably, our students. At this time, I would like to welcome Dr. Jay Perman, our campus's president, to share a few words.
Thank you, Jamie. Thank you so much. I must say, I have long been convinced about the incredible talents and the brilliance of our students, but I realize now that they also have great thespian qualities, and I'm most impressed on that level as well. Jamie, again, thank you. Thank you, Derek. Thank all of you who have organized this magnificent conference. I want to speak to the faculty, to the staff, to our partners in the community, in government, our civic leaders, indeed all of our partners, but I especially have some comments for the group of people I just mentioned, our students. And clearly what's being done here today is inspired by the comments of the students. It's my opinion that the university experience for students is at its very best when it challenges you and us, when it inspires you, when it prepares you to do more and to be more than you ever thought possible. And that is clearly happening for all of you who are engaged in these initial phases of preparing the future. So my challenge for all of you today is to make that happen for yourself individually, for your classmates, for your colleagues, for your schools, everyone who is an important partner on this campus. You've all heard me talk about my vision for what this founding campus of the University System of Maryland can be. A very key part of that vision that I have, that I share with you, is that we come together to tackle societal problems, societal challenges, to launch initiatives like this, to make the necessary changes by bringing together the incredible diversity of talent that exists at this university. Look around you. In this room, we have world-renowned faculty, students from every one of the 7 professional schools on this campus. There are people here that you already know, but even more importantly, there are people here that you have not yet met and that hopefully you will indeed get to know this afternoon through the breakout sessions. We have the world's leading HIV/AIDS researchers led by Dr. Robert Gallo, who here make scientific breakthroughs important to the fight against HIV every day. We're training young men and women who will care for those who have HIV around our planet. But more importantly, for everyone they treat, in initiatives like this, they may help prevent dozens of new infections. And we do have educators and policymakers here who influence how our society views and responds to this worldwide scourge. By coming together here today, you're all committing to make a difference in your life and, importantly, in the lives of millions around the world. I want to thank the deans of each of our professional schools who are here today. When this opportunity arose to collaborate like this, they didn't hesitate. Each of the schools committed to 100% participation, and you see that here. I especially want to thank Dean Al Reese of the School of Medicine, Dean Janet Allen of the School of Nursing, who joined together for the initial launch of the program. The students whom you heard earlier today talk about what the program means to them had the opportunity, because these 2 deans worked with IHV's JOCS initiative to create the interdisciplinary approach. They were willing to take these important steps outside the box. Today, I don't want you to think about how to take one step outside of the box. I want you to jump out of the box and think about how we can build something bigger and better in tackling societal problems like the one that's being focused on today, from the neighborhoods of Baltimore to the furthest reaches of Africa and around the world. The challenges are extraordinary, and that is why our response must be extraordinary as well. If we're to get to 0 new cases of HIV, it will be because of the effort you start right here today. The key to these efforts is not just what we have brought in terms of the challenges to this room, but that we take our efforts from this room back to our laboratories, back to our classrooms, and out to the street. That's the way we do what we talk about at this university: real-world thinking, worldwide reach, worldwide action. That's the opportunity, that's the challenge. I know that's why you're here today. I want you to keep that in mind throughout this afternoon, because what you're doing here today has that kind of impact. Do more, be more than you ever thought possible. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you.